AI detection works hand in hand with Writable's authorship alerts, which gives teachers a glimpse into students' writing behaviors and help determine if the students are submitting their own writing. Authorship alerts will be shown on the feedback table on the students page in the assignment dashboard. Let's take a look at each alert and its meaning. An empty circle indicates that the full submission was pasted into Writable by the student, and limited or no changes were made. A red circle lets you know that the student began with a large pasted block of text in Writable and then made some edits or revisions to the writing. Yellow circles indicate that multiple blocks of text were pasted into Writable, and the time spent drafting is below the typical range. Lastly, a green circle tells you that the student's time spent writing and editing in the assignment falls within the typical range, and it's not likely that they've copied their writing from another source. As a reminder, authorship alerts only report our student behavior. Teachers should consider the results of originality check, AI detection, and authorship alerts when determining if the student has submitted authentic work